Welcome all. In the previous video, I have discussed about list. What are list and what are exactly stored in the list indexes and how to create different ways of list. That is how to create list in different ways using empty list and then from the sequence, then how to create list using input function and eval function. Those things we have seen in the previous class. Now in this class we are going to see about what is the difference between shallow copy list and then deep copy list. We will see it. Okay. Now suppose if I have got a list L is equal to, and I am storing the days in short form, that is sun, month, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, well, now how exactly it will be stored in the memory? What will be stored in the list indexes, that we have seen in one of my videos. If you want to look into that video, you can subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and you can look into it. I have given it in the description. Now see how exactly it is stored in the memory. Let us see. Now in the memory, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will be stored, and what will be stored in L is the references. In the first, in L of 0, in L of 0, in L of 1, 2, 3, what will be stored is reference of the first in 0, in L of 0, reference of Sunday will be stored, and here reference of Monday will be stored, and here reference of Tuesday will be stored, and here reference of Wednesday will be stored. So what is exactly stored in the indexes are the references of the values, not exactly the values. Now suppose if I use the assignment statement, if I write L2 is equal to L, what will happen? Do you think a new memory will be allocated for L2? A new list will be created for L2? No. A new list won't be created. So what does the assignment operator does is, it will just create another variable. It will just create another variable L, and those elements will be storing the references of L. Okay. So how exactly it is happening in the memory, we will see. That is L2, for L2 also, this one, the first one will be reference of Sunday, and second one will be reference of Monday, and third one will be reference of Tuesday, and these reference values will be copied to L2. New memory won't be allocated for L2. Only a variable will be created and the references will get copied. Okay, the references of the reference values of L will get copied to L2. So it is just another label to this location. L2 and L1 both are referring to the same location. So if you make any changes in this location, it will be reflected both in L1 and L2. Suppose if I write L of 0 is equal to, suppose I change it to Saturday. If I change it to Saturday, L of 0 will be, so in L of 0, that is here, directly it will be, Sunday will get replaced with Saturday. Okay. So if I print L2 of 0, what will be the answer? The answer will be, the output is going to be Saturday. Here the output is going to be Saturday, because both L2 and L1 are referring to the same location. So changes made in this location will be reflected in both the places, that is in L1 also and L2 also. Okay, that is, if you are accessing them, the changes will be reflected in both the places. So this is about assignment operator, and this is called as shallow copy. L2 is called as shallow copy because memory is not allocated for new list. The same list L is getting referenced by, that is same list L is referenced by another name. It is that is, we can use another name is given L2. Okay, so this is about shallow copy. Now what will happen in deep copy is new memory will be allocated. Here memory is not allocated, same location is getting referred by another name, but in the case of deep copy, new memory will be allocated, that we will see now. Now, as we have seen what is shallow copy, now we will see what is deep copy. Now what happens in deep copy is new memory is allocated for the list 2. Okay, suppose if I have got same example, I have got list L and I'm having values Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So here in the memory, L is storing the references of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Suppose if I want to create another copy of it, then I have to use the list function, or constructor function over here. This we have seen already, how to create list in different ways. So, from the sequence, see, I am passing the parameter here, the argument here is L. Okay, so L I am passing, as L is a sequence over here. So what will happen, new memory will be allocated, and the values will be stored, and L2 will be pointing to that new memory location. So in L2 the reference of new location will be stored. So reference of Sunday, reference of Monday, and that is in 0, in L2 of 0 reference of Sunday, and L2 of 1 reference of Monday, in 2 Tuesday, and in 3 reference of Wednesday will be stored. New memory allocation will be allocated, new memory will be allocated for L2. If you do like this, a new copy will be created. So this is called as deep copy of the list. So if I make changes in L2, this changes won't be reflected here because it is another location. So if I write L2 0 is equal to Saturday, what will happen here? In this location, Sunday will get replaced with Saturday. Okay, this Sunday will get replaced with Saturday. Okay, so if I write print L of 0, what will be the answer? In this case, the answer would be Sunday. So this will give you output as Sunday, not Saturday, because you are referring to the location L. That is, you are using L, not L2. So this is about deep copy list. Okay, so we have seen the difference between what is the shallow copy and deep copy. So if you like my videos, you can subscribe to my channel Ishwari Classes for more upcoming videos. You can share it with your friends, and don't forget to like it. Thank you.